I'm Priyala and welcome to Radiant Shema School. We have all kinds of resources to help, learn and explore. Our library is filled with more than 12,000 books. And students create wonders in our science lab. Whether it's sports, music or fine art, we have all kinds of activities to fuel our creativity and passion. The teachers here really care about us. We get one-on-one attention and the environment is always safe and supportive. Our learning is interactive and practical.
Radiant Shema is not just a school, it's a place where we become able, productive, responsible and inspirational human beings.